Hey guys, Alex Ryan here, and I'm with my two lucky clients, lovely clients I should say. This is Janice and this is Adrian.
G'day.
And they've come down from Brisbane today and they've brought some goodies and some samples, lots of samples. I'm not going to show you the product, right? I've actually hidden all the barcodes and dresses, so no zooming in. But how many samples did you get, Janice?
I've got 3 samples of the same product from 3 different suppliers, and they're all completely different, which is a really good exercise to do, and it proved to me how important it is to actually purchase the samples.
And what do you have? I mean, it's important to get samples, right?
Yes.
Yeah. What do you have on your list? Like, how many product ideas do you sort of have in the pipeline, essentially, after today?
After today, I've got about 10 products that I'm really excited about, and 5 of those I can do fairly quickly if I want to.
Great. And you've sort of niched your products, which is important as well.
Yes.
Which is a kitchen sort of thing, and then baby and all that as well, which is fantastic. It's really good. Hot niche as well.
And she's also the spreadsheet queen.
Yes. We'll blur that out.
Done the research.
That's good. That's really good. And it's important. You've got to do your research. You've got to spend time and finding the products, because once it's up, it's a lot easier, right? But this is the initial stage where you spend time making sure you're choosing the right products. So.
And it was really good working with the suppliers and finding out how to deal, because it's the first time that I've done this, and it was good to actually work with the suppliers and just work out the process and how it all works.
Through Alibaba.
Yeah, through Alibaba.
Yeah, no, very good.
Yeah,
Good site.
researching the suppliers, researching everything was great.
Good. And you excited?
I'm very excited.
Good.
Yeah, put it on the coffee. No champagne yet.
And I can't wait to get my first product up now.
Good. All right.
Excellent.
Let's get this
So
listed.
thank you, Alex.
Get it.
That's the next step. We're listing it, so let's get it listed.